don't skip suhoor. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said the suhoor is a meal of blessing, so do not leave it, even if you just take a gulp of water. Suhoor is our last opportunity to fuel our bodies and replenish our energy before a long day of fasting. Remember, if you skip suhoor, you are going 24 hours without food till the next iftar, and the food that you ate at last night's iftar has already been digested and utilized. So without suhoor, you are not giving your body new fuel to use during your fast. This can lead to fatigue and low energy, and eventually could even lead to muscular breakdown. Skipping suhoor is essentially turning a 12 to 17 hour fast into a 24-hour fast, and much more difficult than it needs to be. I think a lot of us overcomplicate suhoor. It does not have to be a lot of food. So tune in tomorrow for my next Ramadan Reset quick tip on the best foods to eat at suhoor. And if you want my full done for you Ramadan fasting meal plan, click right over here to check out my popular Ramadan Reset ebook. You get 30 days of suhoor and delicious iftar recipes, energizing smoothies, digestive soups, and so much more. Watch another 1-minute healthy fasting tip right here. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my next Ramadan video. And if you're enjoying this pre-Ramadan video series, please share it with a friend. Stay blessed and stay fit. Salam.